Hare Krishna, welcome to another review with Mr. Sarthak. Today we have not MacBook Pro Max out. No, not this, okay? Not flexing, but Kindle Scribe. Let's see what we have. Whew. Ooh, nice. So I tried getting this from Amazon, but I couldn't. They were not just delivering it. Okay, nice. Little heavy than I thought. So they said on Amazon, they said 1 day delivery. They couldn't do it in 3 days. 3 days. I cancelled it. Ordered it again. They couldn't do it in 2 days. And it was again 1 day delivery. Then I ordered it again from some another seller. Again the same happened. So today I went to Best Buy and got it myself. This is the 64 GB though. Okay, wow. Oh my god. I thought it will be a screen or something. It's a screen, but it's screen, but it's not screen. Like a dummy. This is my first time touching a Kindle, by the way. I don't know. Oh my god. Yes, good. Is it on or what? Okay, now it's turning on. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. This is the pen, eraser. I used to watch, not now, like maybe 4 years back, I used to watch cigarette reviews. I don't know why. Cigarette reviews. Used to do like this. Okay, so this is the cigarette Marlboro, and okay, let's light it up. Anyways, English. Check it out. It really feels like not like screen, so that's good. I don't like screens. United States, I don't know. UK. So I have to connect it to my Amazon. Okay, that's it. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. And what we have? Okay, charger. Some tips. Manuals, I guess. Yep. Okay, I'll set up with my phone and then let's see.